I am Muhammad Khalik and we will learn how to find arithmetic mean of given group data. Please visit mafid.com or subscribe our channel Mafid on YouTube. Now let's move towards our topic, that is arithmetic mean of given group data. Given group data means we are given lower class limit, upper class limit and corresponding frequency. That is this. Corresponding frequency means there are 10 values between 68 and 87, there are 13 values between 88 and 107 and so on. But if we first need to find the group data from the given ungrouped data, then there is a link in the description. Please visit that link and you will learn how to find group data from the given ungrouped data. Afterwards we had this given group data, then we can move ahead. Now let's move ahead. The first thing to find arithmetic mean of given group data, we need to find class boundaries, lower class boundaries and upper class boundaries. To find lower class boundary, we need to subtract a number. We will find that number by subtracting upper class limit of previous class from the lower class limit of next class. Lower class limit of next class minus upper class limit of previous class divided by 2. Now we will subtract this number from all the class limits to find the from all the lower class limits. Notice lower class limits, and we will find lower class boundaries. We will subtract this number from all lower class limits. As this number will remain same throughout, so select this number, press F4, and now we will drag it downwards and number will remain same, only the lower class limits will change. The same number will be added in the upper class limit to find corresponding upper class boundaries, is equal to upper class limit plus boundary factor, enter. As the boundary factor will remain same for all the upper class limits, so select it, press F4, we have dollar signs and it means it will remain same even on dragging it downwards. Now all the upper class limits had got added with boundary factor, that is 0.55, and we have got our upper class boundaries. Now we will find the midpoint of lower class lower class boundaries plus upper class boundaries and divided by 2. Now midpoints for all the lower class boundaries and upper class boundaries. Next we need to multiply midpoint and frequency, is equal to midpoint value into corresponding frequency, enter, and same for all rest. Drag it downwards. Now we need to find the sum of all the frequencies, is equal to sum, select all the frequencies, close the bracket, enter, and similarly is equal to sum. I will bold it so that it can be viewed easily. Is equal to sum, select all the values, close the bracket. Now we have sum of all the product of frequency and midpoint, that is 7310. Now we will divide this value by this value, means we will divide sum of product of frequency and midpoint and divide it by frequency, and we will get our arithmetic mean of given group data, is equal to sum of product of frequency and midpoint divided by sum of all frequencies. Now enter, and we have got our arithmetic mean of given group data. Note that the values with aqua background shows our given group data, the values with light orange background shows what we had found to find our arithmetic mean, and rest of the values shows the given shows what if we are given ungrouped data and what we need to find our group data from the given ungrouped data. Thank you.